Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. So I know you guys are going to get tired of these garage day videos, but there's just so much that happens behind the scenes, not just, e-bike reviews and riding videos. So yeah, so I thought I'd maybe just do a quick little rundown here of what's in the garage and what's going on. Because some of my garage day videos are about just cleaning up, and I ramble about all kinds of things, but I want to kind of just do a quick overview of some of the bikes that I have. Since I haven't been riding this week, since I had that back injury, things are doing well for my back. I'm probably back to 85-90% or something. I can bend over pretty good now, and I can lift things, not real heavy, but I can still lift a few things, and I'm moving around comfortably. So I'm almost back, but just wanted to give it a, just got to take it easy. Take it slow. I might try to do a riding video later today even. But yeah, let's see here. Where do I want to start? Let's start out here. So look what came back. Yeah, we have the Zora Zephyr. Now that belongs to Devin, my son-in-law. And also that came back this morning was the Truxus Lynx, which belongs to my daughter Emma. They're moving today. And where they're moving to, they don't have a garage, unfortunately. And so they're like, Dad, we don't want to put these in a storage unit because we want to have access to them. So can we bring them over to your place and put them in the garage? You can't turn down family, right? And I said, of course, we will figure it out. The whole garage is going to get redone. I mentioned that in another video. So all this stuff is going to come out. The floors are going to get redone. We're going to move a few things around, try to make some more space in here anyway, to make things a little bit better. But anyway, so yeah, we got the Zora Zephyr, we got the Truxus Lynx. I just put these two up for sale today. I have to move some things out. This is the fifth wheel Torrent 1. It's the cheapest torque sensor e-bike that I have found that's on the market. Smooth riding, 27.5-inch tires. Fun bike, really fun bike, especially being a torque sensor. There's dogs. Toby's on high alert. He's being a good boy, though. He didn't pitch a fit. Good boy, Toby. Good boy, Toby. All right. We got another dog getting ready to come down the sidewalk right over there, so we'll see as he gets closer. Anyway, just put this up for sale for my local area. I know I don't ship, sorry. Great bike, only 220-pound capacity, so I'm 245. I'm not supposed to ride it, but I have been riding it. It's been doing fine. I've been enjoying it. Love the torque sensor. Yeah, just a smooth ride all the way around. I added the a handlebar extension to raise it up because the handlebars are pretty low. Seeing that I'm a tall rider, but other than that, yeah, pretty much stock. But great bike. Another one that we're selling is the Zora Felix. Great bike. Enjoyed this one a lot. Took this one off trail. Did very well. It's a folding bike, dual suspension. 750 motor, 14.7 amp hour battery, 5 levels of pedal assist, cadence sensor, does have a small luggage rack in the back. Performed very well. I really like this one because it's got really tall handlebars, so it's great for tall riders, and I mean people that are much taller than me could easily ride this bike right here. So I got neighbors out, they're all visiting. It's Saturday morning, they're out walking and causing all kinds of mayhem, so you might hear that. Anyway, great bike. I hate to see it go, but it's got to go. Yeah, gotta have space. That's what happens sometimes. We just gotta move things around. Of course, we have the Addmotor E310. That's not going anywhere anytime soon. We're really liking that trike a lot. Along with that, we still have the electric trike, the electric XP trike, and one of these will eventually go. Mrs. Adventure is going to decide which one she likes the best, because she likes this for several reasons. She likes that one over there for several reasons. Just not sure what we're going to do yet. She doesn't get to ride as often because of her health, so it's just going to take some time for her to ride them both a few more times and kind of figure it out. So we'll have both of these for a while. Let's scoot this out of the way. Gotta get the stuff back here. So this is the amazing Roll Road Emma. Yeah, that's a cool bike right there. Also, torque sensor, huge 20 amp hour battery, dual suspension. Okay, got these big shocks and air shocks in the back. Convertible, not convertible. I mean, you can put the basket on here. You can take the basket off. You can put a longer seat on here, carry passengers if you want. Great controls up here, great dashboard. Just a really fun bike. Enjoying it. Haven't been able to ride that too much recently just because, you know, haven't ridden anything recently because of my back problems. Huge headlight on the front. Yeah, just an outstanding bike. Let's see over here. Talk about this one in just a second. So, the Toby trailer. Yes, the infamous Toby trailer. Oh, here he comes. He thinks we're going somewhere. When he wants to say please, he'll raise a paw up. And yeah, we're not going anywhere today, buddy. Sorry, dude. So yeah, that's the Toby trailer. Trixie, I think, is the brand name. Found it on. I found it locally. It was used when I bought it, but I'm going to buy another one just like it because the wheel's falling off and got some trouble. It can't be fixed, and so I'm just going to buy a new one now that we know we like it. Works well. Scoot that out of the way. What else we have over here? We've got, let's jump up here. We got the Mach Wheel, infamous Mach Wheel Scoria. If you've been around on my channel a while, you kind of know the story about me and Mach Wheel. Don't like the company. Love the bikes though. Bike is amazing. Mach Wheel Scoria. Original one that came out. So this one has the cadence sensor, not the torque sensor, and some other goodies they've upgraded since then. Have you seen it recently? A buddy of mine just bought one. And they've got these, they changed out the tires completely. So now they've got the thick sidewall that's like a tan color. I am not a fan of that style tire. Just don't like it at all. But apparently that's what they're coming with now. Yeah, Mach Wheel. Ugh. Okay, we have the Yadia KS6 Pro scooter right here. Fun scooter, goes up to 19 miles per hour. Good quality build. Really enjoy that. Don't ride that as often either because I've got so many bikes, but occasionally I just zip that out just because it's fun. All right, what do we have over here? We have the Addmotor M81 cargo bike, and I had this all decked out because I was planning on taking a 250-mile trip with it, and unfortunately, yeah, not to Addmotor's fault. I mean, the controller went out, and wasn't able to get the new controller in time for me to continue testing and getting the bike ready for my trip, so I kind of put the trip on hold. Still want to do a trip. Don't know if I'm going to be taking this Addmotor, though. Just because the ghost pedaling is really bad with this bike, and you know, 250 miles, I really don't want to be doing throttle only, right? So probably not going to work out, but I will be using this to do shopping and things just because it's rigged out now with extra saddlebags, cargo space, big basket, plus I have an Addmotor cargo trailer that I'll just hook up to this right here. So when I want to go to Costco and do like a bigger shopping or something, I'll probably take this and do that. Fun bike. I mean, it's a comfortable bike. I really enjoy it. I did raise the handlebars in this one too, which I do a lot of my bikes just because make them fit better. But yeah, nice. I mean, it's a nice bike. A lot of good features about it that I like. I just don't like the ghost pedaling, but other than that, all right. Let's see if we can scoot this out of the way a little bit. Okay, now we've got probably one of my top brands that I really enjoy between Addmotor and Truxas here. And that's the Truxas Explorer. Love that bike a lot. I have had some trouble with it, not because of Truxas, because of my own fault. Okay, so if you've seen my other videos, I had trouble. I didn't have any trouble with the throttle. I wanted to change the thumb throttle to a twist throttle, and because I wanted to make that change, I caused a lot of problems for myself. And yeah, anyway, I think it's up and running. I got to get it out on the road, test it some more. Yeah, more to come on that. I have a feeling we're not done with that throttle issue because the throttles just aren't compatible, and yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, and then the latest that just showed up yesterday is King Bull, brand new company, and this is the King Bull Rover. It's kind of like a Softail mountain bike stylish bike. Been great working with the company so far. Really good communication with them. I'm excited to be helping them out and testing this out and letting you guys know everything that I think about it. I'm probably going to be taking this one back up to Alafai River State Park. If you've seen some of those videos where I went up there on some of the bike trails, do some off-roading, I'm probably going to be taking this up there to do some off-roading on that bike. 26-inch, or excuse me, 26-inch tire. Fat tire. So, and it's also dual suspension, and yeah, just excited to get that open. Looks like it's going to be a really good bike, really fun bike. So that video will be coming next week. And what else? Well, so that's it for bikes. Oh my gosh, what do we have now? So we got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 bikes, 2 trailers, and a scooter at the moment. Yeah. Oh, and we got another one on the way. Got the shipping notification this morning for the Ratlink, I think is how it's pronounced. Anyway, really cool looking bike. Yeah, fun looking bike too, because it's got like a little passenger seat with a little passenger backrest and beautiful colors. So excited to get that in here sometime next week. So we are backed up on bikes, we are backed up on videos, and that is what's happening here. I've got, oh my gosh, I got to do something here. I keep debating whether or not I'm going to go get a storage unit somewhere close by just so I can have more space for bikes so I don't have to sell anything off right away, because some of these bikes, man, it's hard for me to part with them because they're all unique in their own way and they all got some great features, and if you enjoy e-biking as much as I do, they're all fun to ride, no matter, you know, what the deal is with it. Oh, hey, I didn't notice that, did you? That's the Toby leash. Dude, what are you doing in there, buddy? And the window was closed, so you couldn't see out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Toby, anytime he has access to the trailer, he'll hop in there just because he just likes laying in there. But oh my goodness, he loves going places. Yeah, I know you do, buddy. We got to get you out soon, maybe today. All right, guys, that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick review of what's in the garage, and yeah, another video coming soon because I'm going to get this one out to you and continue filming today. Got lots of things to film. And it's a beautiful day, and I'm feeling better, so I'm going to knock it out. So be looking for those other videos. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Make sure you ring that little bell and select all notifications when you hit the subscribe button so you get notified when new videos get posted. A lot of people subscribe and they never see my videos again because that's not how YouTube works anymore. So you got to select the all notification on that bell or on that drop down box. All right, guys, that's it. Hey, you guys take care. Whatever you do today, get out and ride safe. See you in the next video.